Hey guys, welcome to today's vlog. Today I'm repeating my blood work, and then after that I'm celebrating a birthday again at Build-A-Bear. So even though my birthday was on February 1st, but I want to celebrate at Build-A-Bear. So yeah, so cross your fingers if I make it a Build-A-Bear or not, so we'll see. Right now I'm repeating my blood work today. So let's go and get going.
Are you recording?
Look at that traffic. Look at that. I-155 southbound. I've been to having an accident.
Throwback song.
That is so cool. Alright guys, so I'm at the doctor's office. I'm about to get my blood work done. As you can see, I'm wearing my mask because I have to avoid germs. Because even though it's flu season, it's still flu season. So I'm waiting for my nurse to come back, and then I gotta get my blood work done. So hopefully it goes to normal. Guys, my blood was back to normal finally. After a trip, my blood was back to normal. So anyway,
It dries different
back to 2.4. So yeah, my blood was back to normal. So I'm excited. So good for my blood was back to normal because last time it was 1.9. So yeah.
I do the same color as mine.
But now my brother was back to normal, so yeah. Good fade, finally back to normal. So anyway, they gotta take us back in the month.
Because actually your color is
Full
my
bore
color, but it's
fingerprint.
black, mine's brown.
So yeah, but right now we're gonna head to the car and then gonna be heading to Build-A-Bear.
See, there's the birthday fair. Look. Look.
That's what I'm getting. This is a star. Look at that. It's colorful. This is so cool. And if it's Velcro. Do you believe that's Velcro?
Oh, you have Velcro again.
Yeah, that's so awesome. Hey, the birthday hat. Look at that. Look at that. It's my birthday. It's actually last week, but I'm celebrating though.
I heard you guys had an exciting trip.
We did. It was fun. She got a little sick, so we're just in the front.
Oh, wow.
Here, let me get you a picture in front of the board.
Look at that. Look at this, guys. This is a birthday heart.
That's cool.
Can't believe
Your
that.
birthday hearts.
Look at this, guys. This is what it
There's
looks
new.
like. Dressing up my stuff. Look at that.
Look at that.
Look at this, guys. Got a shirt like tan and a denim skirt that's sparkly. Look at this.
I'm an army guy. Mine's a princess.
Just getting myself a birth certificate. I just named it Lily, guys. I named it Lily. Just made a birth certificate. So by the way, I got a cupcake sent for my slaw. It's actually named Lily, so yeah, I just got a cupcake sent so I can smell good.
Yes, we did.
Alright guys, what a quick celebrating my birthday at Build-A-Bear. So they put it on the board, they put a name tag on it, and they have a birthday hat, and also my birthday heart, and also my cupcake stand, and also the bag. So nobody needs a bag, so yeah. But anyway, this is really cool. What a great day to celebrate at Build-A-Bear. So yeah. But anyway, we're just gonna look around and adjust this.
Well, she got a birthday coupon that she gets a free gift for her birthday, and then we
Yes.
got $10. So
Yeah, and then all of our jeans are $12, and we're having
we have $12 jeans here.
And $12 jeans. Good thing I have to spend $10 on equals. Alright guys, got something adjusted. So finally got it done. celebrate birthday at Build a Bear,
What do you want?
and also shopping for my birthday coupons from Justice. This is so cool.
I like that red.
So yeah, this is really cool. I've done birthdays at Build a Bear and Justice. So this is really awesome. Alright guys, so before I actually go home and do some gameplay videos, we're gonna have some dinner at Indian's and Bella. So yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna go get us drinks. Now that's really hot. Just stir that together, too.
This is from Bella and
You don't always have to ask for me to serve each. I just got them all for this size.
lemonade. Look at that. It's boy fruits. So this is for my drink. Yeah. Alright, so earlier they have an accident and I-135 was on a daughter, and now this another traffic jam because of the accident on the way home. Holy crap. Alright guys, back home, back on Xbox One. So I want to show you guys I got from today, including Build a Bear and Justice, before I even start recording for episode 6. So yeah. So here is my rainbow striped slaw. So yeah, this is so cool. It has light blue eyes, pretty nice. It has a pink face on it, black shiny nose, that is awesome. And there's no ears, so yeah. And also there is a sparkly BAB on the hand of a sloth. And guess what? It was velcroed, so it velcros together. So yeah, this is so cool. It velcros together. So yeah, it even has something on the hand and feet. So this is so cool. And also this one velcros the feet. So yeah, this is so cool. And also I dressed her up on Let's Hang shirt. So yeah, that's so cool. This is part of Valentine's Day. So the sloth is part of the Valentine's Day collection. So yeah. And also I got this a sparkly denim skirt. That's so awesome. And yeah, this is really cool sloth. And it is beautiful. So yeah, this is a rainbow striped sloth. So yeah, this is so cool. And also I got this bag while I'm checking out. I decided to go with a reusable bag, so pretty nice. And it says Cowboo Build a Bear. So yeah, it's so cool. Pretty nice thing around it. So yeah, so pretty nice. And also it's gonna be birth certificate. So yeah. February 8th, name is Lily, 17 inches, 26 ounces, eye color is blue, fur color is multi white, and belongs to me, so yeah. And also, I got a scent. It smells like cupcakes. So when I smell it, it does smell like cupcakes, so yeah. And also, it has a birthday heart inside. So yeah, that is my stuff I got from Build a Bear for my birthday. And also I want to show you the stuff I got from Justice. So I want to show you all my stuff. So yeah, and also I got that shirt. It's a sweatshirt. It is pink with a sparkly cheetah print, and it's black, and it says "Awesome Girl." So yeah, and guess what? It even this is the secret one. So yeah, this is so cool. The secret one. So that is so awesome. So yeah, that is my shirt. And also I got a free gift, or it's actually a free stuff that I spent. It is a Club Justice planner. It's pretty nice. Sparkly, rainbowish color. Pretty awesome. And also I got this right here. It says Club Justice on it. So I got a free gift for my birthday. So I got a free gift. It's a necklace. This is really cool. It says Club Justice on it. And also finally, this is all mine. So yeah, I got this ponytail, the sparkly ponytail. And also my mom got one too, so my mom got one, so this is really cool. Really cool sparkly ponytail holder, so you can put it on the wrist, or you can put it on the hair, so this is so cool. So here's what I got from Justice, and one more thing. The Bearded Bears is giving me a birthday hat. So yeah, that's so cool. So yeah, here's all the stuff I got from today. So there he is. So yeah, here he is. Okay guys, so I just got done recording part 76, so yeah. So find me on Xbox Live because I'm here until I get off, so yeah, check this out. So here's me playing part 76, so come find me on Xbox Live. I got renewed, and yeah, I'm still online. So do you hear me? I'm still online. I'm off to playing Saints Row 2 while I'm uploading Fallout 76 to YouTube. And ladies and gentlemen, I got in this vlog. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe for more videos and more content. And remember, it's all adventures want to be. And next watching, please bye-bye. I'm Trudy 100. Thank you so much for watching today's vlog. If you want more vlogs, gameplays, and a lot of stuff, click or tap subscribe and turn on notifications. Don't forget to leave a like. Follow me at any social sites at the Insulate. Also, check out Trudy 100 Games channel and Bear Cam 17's channel. Until next time, peace.